Okay, I'm going to show you how to convert a 110 TV to 12 volts for a camper or something like that, or cabin, off-grid cabin or whatever. But to buy a 12 volt TV is expensive, but most of them can be converted to 12 volts. Pretty simple. I'll show you how to do it. You can get a cheap TV and convert it to 12 volts with no problem. I'll show you how to do it. Most of them you can do this with. Alright, let's get started. I'll show you what to do. Okay, to save time, I already took these screws out. Just take your screws out, remove your cover. Here would be your circuit board right here. And I'll show you where you're going to hook up at. Right there is a 12 volt upgrade. Power upgrade, 12 volts. And you look on here, it'll tell you where to hook each one, each terminal. You're going to need a plug like this one right here. This is a JST micro plug. This is all you need. It'll plug right into here, just like so. Then you're going to need a 12 volt adapter plug. Pretty easy to come by. Alright, I'll show you what to do next. Alright, what you want to do is find you a spot that ain't been used up that you can run a wire through. Just drill you a hole. Just like that. Run your wire through. About how much you're going to need right there. Not much. Tie you a knot. Half hitch. That way you can't pull your wire back through. And then we'll go from there. I'll show you how to solder these. Okay, first thing you need to do is figure out which one is positive. This end right here is positive. Put your meter on continuity and just find out which one it is. It's that one right there. That's your positive. This is your negative. On your board right here, it has it labeled positive and negative. So you'll be able to figure that out pretty easy. Just go by what it says on the board and you'll be alright. Okay, what you want to do, put you some heat shrink tubing on your wires, a little soldering iron, some solder. Get your wires soldered on.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with Lowry's ability to slip punches and then counter back over the top. For sure. And you can see her parrying the punch and circling out right.
In shape 150. I mean, she looked unbelievable at weigh-ins yesterday. Just really muscular, really lean. And, you know, she's fighting like she's conditioned that well. A lot, again, didn't get quite the chance to dedicate. We're going to get a good break here from Kevin Mulhall. And you know what, fighters, stop rapping Kevin Mulhall. Somebody like Kevin Mulhall, that guy's one of the best in the business.
Poor Kevin, he's their size.
And that's all there is to it. I'll plug it in and test her out. But that's all there is to converting your TV to 12 volts. Put your cover back on. Plug it in and test it. Make sure everything's going to work. And you should have you a 12-volt TV. That easy. Okay. I got my little 12-volt plug right here that I can hook to a battery. Hook it up, make sure it works. There you go. Works just fine. Working just fine. I left the 110 plug just in case I decide to take it out of that cabin or whatever and want to use it in the house. I still got a 110 plug. All you gotta do is wrap that up and zip tie it behind the TV. And there you go. 110 or 12 volt TV. Hope this helps you